Yo. What's good? We back. We're gonna run up a charting sesh and then wait for market open, and we're gonna call out the opening tick. That's right. We're gonna call out the opening tick because we're cheaters. But before we do that, I'm gonna wait just a second. I actually remembered to leave a paper trade open, so Well, how was our weekend, everybody? Good. Dude, this is already moving so much. All right, so look, we're gonna change this to ticks. Go here. Hopefully, hopefully it gap up. You'll be making bread for real. So we'll change this to ticks. Right now it says that we're up 13 ticks. So the opening price, as of now, if it didn't move again, would be. Can I like? Oh, 13 ticks. So the opening price would be here. 25,994.75, but I guarantee this moves more. But anyway, we'll do a charting sesh until then. We're not just gonna sit here for 12 minutes. So, news came out last week, right, about the rate cuts. And we didn't take all-time highs, which is actually kind of awesome. We put in this big bearish 1 hour gap here, right? That we could never inverse. So I'm gonna have this marked out. Oops. M60 Bissy. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this marked out and extend it on my chart. My chat. And then something else that I have marked out. Yeah, for sure. Something else that I have marked out is this 1 hour SMT. Because if you see here with ES, ES swept this hourly low and NQ did not. Why do we have the triple chart? Let's just do the double chart. So we got this bullish SMT, right? We tapped into this 4 hour and could never close below. We wicked all the way beneath it, but then came way back up at some point on Thursday. So we came down here, put an SMT out of this gap. So I'm going to have this 4 hour gap marked out too. So 4 hour Bissy or Sibby. All right, so we got some tick movement. We're now at 26 ticks, so the opening tick would be 25998.25. But another thing I wanted to have marked out is this. So this candle, maybe it was on the 32nd. Okay, this candle was crazy. I feel like it was news related, but I could be wrong. But either way, I'm gonna mark it. So equal highs plus abnormal wick. Because I feel like news came out right then and it wicked up fast. Like, look, this is 30-second time frame and it pumped 80 points, like, and it was aggressive. So I'm gonna have that marked out. Yeah. And then I have this 30-minute. So this 30-minute gap, I'm not gonna mark out the gap, but I'm going to mark out the 0.5 of this 30-minute gap because you can see that we tried to push up above it but couldn't close above. So for now, instead of having like this big ass thing, I'm just going to do this like that and do 30-minute or M30 M30 SIBI SIBI CE. So I'm going to have that marked out because we couldn't close above that. So if we do push up and get up in this area again, I'll be able to see this and see how we react to that level. See this? So we got up to this level and just basically V-shaped down after tapping into this little 30-second gap here. All right, we got some tick movement again. So now it's at 50 ticks, which would put our opening price at 26004.25. 26004.25. We still got 7 minutes. Let's see. Let me look around for anything else that I want to mark out. Oh, man. Look at this 15-minute BPR, dude. I think I'll mark that out, too. Gosh dang. I'm going to mark this out. So M15 BPR. Because that is crazy V-shape, dude. Now let's zoom in and see. Let's look to the left here and see if there's anything on this leg up that could hold us up, right? All these gaps are pretty small. Except for down here, there's like a 1 minute BPR. That's insanity. Oh, wait. It wasn't that. It was this one. Honestly, if I have this 4-hour gap right here marked out. Wait, this is not a SIBI, bro. This is a BISI. Bro, I'm so backwards. I literally have these backwards. SIBI. Okay. So we got this whatever. We got the big 4-hour bullish gap. With that down there, I don't think that I'm gonna bother marking out anything lower time frame right here. I think I'll just wait and see how we react to this gap. I'm not gonna bother marking something that's right above this. V shape, LRLR, equal O's. I wonder if we gap down or up. I don't know. Yeah, last week was. I'm gonna take a look at gold. So gold, a 30-minute time frame, would probably mark out this for short term. M30 Bissy. Because for now that's holding price up. But let's see. Gold. Oh my. Damn, gold dumped last week. Holy. Bro, it's so weird trying to trade gold. I just like learning the characteristics is weird. So what's holding price down? What is holding price down? This probably. Nope. Can't even get that high. So something close by is holding price down on gold. Here, maybe? Bro. Okay, so it's that gap there. So I'll mark this out too. M5. Sibby. M5 Sibby. Also, tonight is the last night to grab your 50% off of your Lucid Pro or your Lucid trading 50K. You use code OKNQ. You lock in 50% if you're a new user. Well, that ends tonight. I don't know, honestly. Let's take a look. 35% off. It seems like the average is like 35 at 30%, 30%, 30%. Yeah. Seems like 30% is the normal, but right now it's 45% if you're 45% for unlimited uses, 50% for your first use. Oh, wow. We're about to have a giant gap up. So right now we're up 211 ticks, 214 ticks. Oh, man. 211. This one might be hard to catch. Let's see. 211 right now. So that would put us at. Oh, man. Ah. 211 would put us at. Bro, I can't stop on it. 26044.5. Oh, it's moving again. Bro, stop. 194. So 26040.00. Looks like this might be the one. 26040.00. And it moved. No! It moved. Damn it. Dude. I hate when it moves a whole bunch right before it opens. You can't catch it, dude. You can't move it that fast. So we did gap up. That was obvious. We didn't call it exact, but it was close. It kind of just moved a bunch. Yeah, but also, I am gonna be doing. I joined the Tradeify Cup to see how we do on that. We're gonna try and full port in the Tradeify Cup. See if we can work our way up the leaderboard by full porting. Damn, this is pumping up. This is let's see how gold is. Wow. So gold gapped down, NQ gapped up. Shocker. Dude, this is ripping. Log into the tournament account. Go long and hold it. All right. We're about to spend this entire week live streaming it on these charts, so that's gonna be it for today. But yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow for PM. Later.